Alright, once you've learned to throw a pot, or you have a pot, you'll need to tap center it to trim it. And so I'm going to show you how to tap center today. Basically the idea is we're going to use these cardboard cylinders to use and to get into the middle of the wheel. And so obviously if you look here, this is not centered. And so when we tap center, we need to point at our cylinder or at our bowl and look at the gap between our finger and the object. Our idea then is we want to ultimately tap it when it's the farthest away from our finger. So when it's here, when it's the farthest away, I want to tap it. Tapping wise, I should be able to tap it across the bat. Okay? It's not a slapping action. I'm tapping with the tips of my fingers, not with the palm of my hand. Okay, but the tips of my fingers, and I should just have it slide across. I would actually have you try that before you even start kicking the wheel and seeing that it taps across. Sometimes students will just kind of tap on it, but nothing will happen. And so you need to find that proper tap pressure. Tapping up tall will make it want to fall over, so tap towards the bottom. You want to get it fairly close, okay? But it is actually easier if it's a little bit off center. And so then I point at it, and it's a timing thing, it's a rhythm. And so I try to time that so that when it's farthest from my finger, I tap it. So it's going to be there. And physics says that if you hit it at that correct time, it will go to the center automatically. Okay, so there's one, then that would count. And so all you would do is you would tap at center, raise your hand, yell at BT, ask if it's centered. He'll give you the thumbs up. If he gives you the thumbs up, take and mark on the splash pan that you have 1, 2, and just keep recording that until you have 25. Okay, and so once you have 25, you're checked off. It'll probably take you 2 days. And so after you have one checked off, bump it off center, re-tap it. When you have it, ask BT, check off, and continue to go. A lot of times, the first 5 to 10 take quite a while, and then you're going to start to get a rhythm of it. You're going to start to get a feel of it, and the last 15 go much easier. Okay, so that's tapping center. You'll need 25 to pass that assignment, and good luck.